The second set is called the PaKua series. It comes from the 24 movements. PaKua is an ancient Chinese knowledge, and the 24 movements work the vertebrae from the top of the vertebrae, atlas axis, all the way down to the tailbone. So from this series of movements, we're going to extract 4 for the neck and head and 4 for the upper torso, in particular the shoulders and the scapula. So we'll start with our legs parallel, and we're going to bring our chin to our chest and back to center. And tilt your chin up slightly, gazing up at the ceiling and back to center. And 1, chin comes down. 2 is center. 3 comes up. Try to crane your jaw forward and upward. And back to center. That helps to stretch the front of the neck. Again, forward and center and up and center. And the last one. So think about the spine getting taller and then bending forward. And then it comes to center. And then it slides down your back and tilts backward and back to center. The next movement is the left ear comes to the left shoulder and center. And the right ear comes to the right shoulder and center. And so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to imagine that there's a giant X over the top of our head. And we want the crown of the head, like we've got a horn here, to follow the sides of the X in front and back. So we'll first tilt our head to the forward left front corner and then back to center. And now the back left corner, eyeballs up to the ceiling and center. Front right corner and center. Back right corner and center. We'll do it again. Front left, center, back left, center. Front right, center, back right, and center. The next one is we're going to turn our head and look over the top of our shoulder, but our torso and body face forward. And then center, and then turn and look over the top of the right shoulder. Again, trying to stretch the eyes as far as you can, and center. So we'll go left is 1, center is 2, right is 3, center is 4. Left 1, center 2, right 3, center 4. One more time. It's like you're checking for traffic over your shoulder if you were driving your car. Then you'll check for traffic on the right side, and then you'll come back to center. The last one is the circle. So here you'll drop the chin, you'll roll it out to the left, to the back, to the right, to the center, and then pick it up and send it back down and reverse it to the right, to the back, to the left, to the center, and pick it up and drop it down. Left is 1, back is 2, right is 3, center is 4, and we pick it up. And the last one, we drop it down, and we reverse the circle for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and back to center. So now we're going to switch the movements and go into the upper thoracic cage and the shoulder girdle. In particular, we want to move the shoulder blades or the scapula. So we're going to bring our feet together and we're going to start on the left leg. We'll step together left and we'll hug our tree. And then our arms will come up and we'll reach up and look up at the ceiling. And then we'll return all the way. So the feet come back together, the hands come back together. Then we switch it to the right. We step forward. We hug our tree. 1, 2 is up. 3, we come into an extension stretch. and 4 all the way back. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is some balance work also. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to keep stepping forward left. We're going to keep hugging our tree, but now the arms are going to change into the goalpost. This is 2. And then we'll push our chest forward, pull our scapula, our shoulder blades together in the back. That's 3. And 4 is we return back to the starting position. Let's take that on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we switch the arms again. We're going to step forward left, hug our tree. Now we're going to make 2 fists and pull the elbows back. 2. Pull them back tighter. 3. And then release it all and come back to the starting position. Right side. Step forward, hug your tree. Pull back. 2. Pull more. 3. And then release. 4. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to lift your heel when you step forward on that back leg. 3 and 4. Last one in this series is we step forward left, we hug our tree. Now we're going to make 2 fists and we're going to cock back the elbows deep. 2. And then 3, really squeeze the shoulder blades together in the back. And then we release it and return back. That's 4. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that concludes the second set of movements from the PaKua.